G'day, I'm Kian from Street Machine, and here in front of me is the new Holley Sniper EFI 2. If you're unfamiliar, the Holley Sniper has been the benchmark to convert an old carby car to the new school of injection. How does it do that? With this beautiful thing beside me here. As you can see, it looks like a 4-barrel carby, and that's because it bolts in the place of a 4-barrel carby, but there's no jets in here. This is full of injectors and brain power. That means that you get to put EFI on your car really easy without changing manifolds and all the crazy stuff that goes with that usually. Now, this is the new version 2, and there's a whole bunch of improvements that we're going to talk about. Most people already know the advantages of going EFI over carby, but still keeping the old engine. It means you don't have to do an engine conversion, but you get your cold starts better, you get better running, doesn't matter what climate you go to anymore. And the best bit is you'll probably get better fuel economy and power as well compared to your old carby setup. So going with this has been a super popular option for those wanting their old school car and engine, but modern reliability. For version 2 of the Holley Sniper EFI, there are a couple of big things to talk about. The first one is they've added 14 new features for the new model. That means a whole bunch of different stuff to play with. And the biggest one is you can now option a PDM. What is a PDM? It's a power distribution module. And that allows you to integrate this EFI system into the car a lot better. You used to just plug this injected hat on top of your carby manifold and away you went, and then you had to integrate the wiring of the car into it. Now with the PDM, you get much better control over your ignition and the whole car, meaning it's your one-stop shop for all your electronics, not just your injection. Unlike other standalone injection systems, which in all honesty are pretty complicated, you need laptops, base maps, this does away with all that. It's designed to be put on with basic hand tools, whether it's just the Sniper you've ordered on its own or this full kit you can see in front of me with fuel pumps and fittings and everything. Put it on at home yourself in your garage, and because it's self-learning, it will start to figure out the car and the engine package, and it will keep doing it on its own. You don't have to spend hours and hours playing around with the computer to get it to run. Before you know it, you'll have better cold starts, better fuel economy, and just all around probably better driving. To get a Holley Sniper kit, there are two main ways to do it. The first is just to get the unit on its own with a bit of wiring and make it do, or VPW now offer this big comprehensive package that gets pretty much everything you need to get this thing up and running. Got EFI fuel pumps, filters, regulators, so many fittings, hose. You don't even have to go down to the parts shop to get hose. They've got you covered. Wiring, gaskets, everything you need, a big nice instruction kit. Everything you need to get this thing up and running. So you can do it at home, probably in a weekend, and by the end of it, you'll have your car running on EFI. So if this all sounds good to you and you want to move your classic into the 21st century, then hit up VPW right now. They're the first in Australia to take stock of this new version 2 of the Sniper EFI. So if it interests you, head to vpw.com.au.